In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin frequently visited sites in Google Chrome. If you find yourself opening the same websites every day, like your email, calendar, or a project dashboard, pinning those tabs in Google Chrome can save you time and keep your workspace tidy. Pinned tabs stay compact, sit on the far left of your tab bar, and are harder to close by accident, which makes them perfect for the sites you rely on most. First, open Google Chrome. Give it a second to load your usual home page or a new tab. You'll be working in the tab bar at the very top of the window, where each open page appears as a tab. Next, go to one of the sites you visit all the time. You can do this in a couple of simple ways. From a new tab, click one of the frequently visited tiles if you see it, or type the website's address into the address bar and press Enter. If you use bookmarks, click the bookmark for that site to open it. The key is to have the site open and active in its own tab. Once the site is open, move your cursor up to its tab at the top of Chrome. Right-click directly on that tab to bring up the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing, and on some keyboards, you can hold the Control key while you click. You should now see a small menu with several options related to that tab. From that menu, select Pin tab. As soon as you do, you'll notice a few changes. The tab will shrink down to just the site's icon, it will jump to the far left side of the tab bar, and it won't show a close button. That compact design keeps your important sites fixed in place and frees up space for other tabs you open throughout the day. You can still switch to the pinned site with a single click on its icon. If you'd like to keep several sites handy, you can pin more than one. Just repeat the same action for each site you use frequently. Pinned tabs stay in that Chrome window until you decide otherwise, and they're great for building a stable set of tabs you can rely on while you work or browse. That's all it takes. Open Chrome, visit a site you use often, right-click its tab, and choose Pin tab. With just that, you'll have a cleaner, more efficient browsing setup that keeps your most important pages right where you need them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra productivity.